what's up and welcome back to another vlog. Today is a very special day because Marvel was born today. It's Marvel's 5th birthday and we are gonna celebrate him. I'm gonna make him a nice cake, the dog-friendly cake that he can eat, and we got him some toys. We're gonna give him beefy bones. It's gonna be like his day. So yeah, we are very grateful for Marvel to come into our lives because he has literally changed everything. We never stress out, we are always in a good mood because of him. So it's just like it's just the best thing that happened to us. And now I think 2 more days and my second trimester is gonna be over. I cannot believe how fast time flies. 3 more months and the baby's gonna be here. We cannot believe we are putting up the nursery together. It's coming along. We still have some things left to do, so we're gonna show it to you when everything is done, not half and half. So yeah, and also I'm shooting recipes today, so yeah, that's what the day is going. Marvel, let me show you Marvel. Let me show you the birthday boy. The birthday boy. Here comes the boy. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Marvel. Everybody says happy birthday to you. Yes, you bring smile on so many people's face, baby. Yes. Is it your birthday today? Mommy's gonna bake you a cake and you're gonna get some new toys. Wow. Look at that pretty face. Woo. So I'm making lunch and I'm done shooting 2 recipes. It's a very like a basic recipe that we eat at home. I wanted to share it, and as soon as it is out in my cooking channel, tonight's special, I'll share it with you guys. So don't forget to ring that bell icon in that channel so you get notified every time. And now I'm gonna make the cake for Marvel. So what I'm gonna do is, I have some flaxseed here. I added water and it works like an egg. And then I'm gonna take some oats, pumpkin and blueberry and make a mixture out of it, and then add the flaxseed and bake it. Right here, watching me make his cake.
Alright guys, Marvel's cake is ready. He's waiting outside. All his toys are here. Some of them are here, her new toys, his new toys. And we're gonna cut the cake. Marvel, come. Marvel, come baby. Come, it's your happy birthday. My goodness.
The cake is about to fall. Okay.
Come here. Come here. Marvel, come here. Come here baby. Sit. Sit. Wait, sit. Marvel. Alright. Is it your happy birthday, baby? Sit. Stay. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Easy.
Marvel, don't take the whole cake.
Marvel.
Marvel.
Baby. Did you just eat the whole cake?
Marvel.
My goodness. Did you just eat the whole cake?
Oh my god, the whole cake was gone in like 10 seconds. That's it, 10 seconds.
Babu, where did the cake go?
There's one blueberry left right next to your paw.
Here.
Yes.
Here's the blueberry.
Babu, where did the cake go? It was delicious. Oh my god, that was too funny.
That was super quick birthday celebration.
Yeah. Happy birthday.
Now come in over here. Come on in.
Oh my god, that was too funny.
Go on your bed. Go on your bed.
Here, on your bed.
Go on your bed.
Sit.
Good boy.
Wow.
Now you'll be having a new piggy today. And a new Jack Daniels for your rough life. Oh, you chose that Jack Daniels. And then there is a big elephant also for you, baby.
Wow, see? Here, look at Daddy.
My goodness.
Got a big elephant.
Do you want a
you big elephant. Go on your bed. Go on your bed. Come on.
Okay guys, that was the super fast birthday celebration and super fast cake eating I have ever seen. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and he is right now busy with his toys. He cannot decide which one to play with. He has almost built his own army of toys, as you can see. He got this little 2 lieutenants and then all his army of piggies and an elephant, and because life is so rough, he got his own Jack Daniels that he loved. So there you go.
Alrighty guys, so we are out for dinner. We came to Waffle House because we couldn't decide what we want to eat at home, so we just decided to come to Waffle House. And whenever we come here, we always order our staple food that we always order. I'll show it to you when it's here. Staple food: hash browns smothered and covered. That is onions and cheese, and scrambled eggs with cheese, sauteed onion, tomatoes, and toast. That's what we always get. The opening is jam.